Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through Bartlett's test in R step by step. If you are working with data analysis or planning to run ANOVA, this is something you must understand because it helps to check one very important assumption, equal variances. So let's get started. So, what exactly is Bartlett's test? Bartlett's test is a statistical test used to check whether the variances of multiple groups are equal. In simpler terms, it tells us whether different groups spread out their data in a similar way. And this is important because many statistical methods, especially ANOVA, assume that group variances are equal. Let's understand this with a simple research example. Imagine you are studying students' performance under different teaching methods. Your research question is, do different teaching methods result in equal variability in student test scores? Here we have three groups, method A, method B, and method C. Now let's define our hypothesis. The null hypothesis, H0, state that all group variances are equal. The alternative hypothesis, H1, state that at least one group has a different variance. So basically, we are testing whether variability is consistent across groups. Before running Bartlett's test, there are few assumptions you need to check. First, your data should be normally distributed. Second, observation should be independent. And third, your data should be continuous. And keep in mind that Bartlett test is quite sensitive to non-normal data. So this step is very important. If your data is not normally distributed, you might want to use Levene's test instead. Let's see how to perform Bartlett's test using R. So first step is creating a sample dataset. In here, I'm going to use a sample data. You can use your own data. So first step is creating sample data set. Method A, angle bracket, dash, C, open bracket, 78, 85, 82, 88, 90, close bracket. Then again, method B, angle bracket dash C open bracket 65 70 72 68 75 close bracket. Method C angle bracket dash C open bracket 80 82 84 83 81 close bracket. Next step is combine data. Scores angle bracket dash C open bracket method A, comma method B, comma method C, close bracket, group angle bracket dash factor open bracket REP again open bracket C again open bracket A, B, C, close bracket comma each equal 5 close bracket close bracket. Data angle bracket dash data dot frame open bracket scores comma group close bracket then data. After run this, you will get this data set. Last step is perform Bartlett's test. Bartlett dot test open bracket scores infinity mark group comma data equal data close bracket. Then run this one and you will get this result. Bartlett test of homogeneity of variance, you will get p-value equals 0.1542. Let's interpret our output results. So, if your p-value greater than 0.05, that means you fail to reject H0. That means variance are equal. If p-value less than or equal 0.05, you have to reject H0. That means variance are not equal. So in here, we got our p-value as 0.1542, that is greater than 0.05, then our variances are equal.